What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one hurts my feelings a little bit because this isn't actually my shoe. A friend of mine, Terrell, you can check him out on Facebook. He actually was generous enough to let me borrow this shoe to do a video on. And there's another one coming too that he's going to let me borrow. But this one actually I do have on the way, but it's coming from StockX, so you know how they are. So I just wanted to get this out the way since I'm going out of town. But yeah, there may or may not be an on feet in this video. If there is, it'll be where it normally is. I'm going to spread B-roll and everything out like I normally do at the end and, throughout the video. So, yeah, just let's get into it. It came from Social Status, which, it's kind of weird because he told me it only took him a day to get. And the 2 times I've ordered from Social Status, it's taken him like 5 days to even ship the shoe. But his came to his house in 1 day. It's really weird. So, typical Social Status box. Wow. Get that out the way. So, first off, take a look at that box. This is the Man of the Woods box. I definitely like this custom little box. He is a size 12, just like I am. Look at that box. What does that say? Oh, that's just his logo right there. He's got the same right there. It's orange all the way around. Ooh, look at the paper. It's like woods. Definitely happy that I'm getting these. And from what I understand, the quality of these is amazing. They do look good. Ooh, butter. Wow, you get 2. That's cool. Now, when it comes to other people's stuff, you gotta be respectful, so I'm not gonna just like cram everything in here. Just get it folded back up all nice and neat. Alright, so there's the sneaker. I am definitely glad that I went ahead and pulled the trigger on mine because the quality of these is great. Like, so much better than any other 3 that I've gotten. You can check out the video for the Kai 54s. That quality is really good as well. Then you got the Tinker Hatfields. The Tinker Hatfields were good too, but this is just a whole nother level when it comes down to it. I mean, you have your suede right here. You can just see that flip. Like, that is good buttery suede. And then just like your, the Yeezy 500s, you have that band that goes around that's kind of like super supple, like buttery leather. That's what that is right there. And then you got that's kind of like an off-white color midsole. You got your orange bit, your little orange accents everywhere. This right here is made from the same leather material that this is, this tonal swoosh right here. The thing that gets me though, you got leather tongue right here with an embossed Jumpman logo. But the inside, if you look at it, it reminds me of like an Uggs boot. Which is really weird. But if you look at it, this looks like your typical what you would expect a woodsman to wear, and I think that's where he was taking this shoe, because it looks like a boot kinda. It looks like what you would expect like an Uggs or just a boot to look like. Oh, that's cool. So you have your Tinker Hatfield signature right here. Then you have your Justin Timberlake signature right here. And that's really cool. Let's flip this one around. Looks like it comes with 2 pairs of laces. The ones that come on it are leather laces. They're the squared, kind of higher quality ones. Let's see if these are like the other pain in the butt. Yep. They don't actually have tips on them. So just be glad that they're actually laced up. Because if you got the Jordan 1 wings, you'd know how much of a pain in the butt it is to lace with those laces. You have the Tinker Hatfield little hang tag right there. These do have the Nike Air on the back, and they tend to put that on the higher quality or the OGs, you know, the ones that he wore back in the day. But these are limited, so you know it's not going to get the Jordan Jumpman branding. It's going to have that Nike Air branding on the back. The quality of these, I just cannot get over how good these are, but they remind me of a boot, like straight up. It's got higher printed right here. It's got higher printed right here. And that's because the inspiration for these were taken from the song Higher, Higher, which is kind of like it was a tribute to Justin Timberlake's wife for the higher air kind of thing. I haven't personally heard the song, but that's just what he said. So it's better to take it straight from his mouth. Hashtag facts. Now, there's it looks like kind of semi-translucent gray bottom, and you got your hints of, you know, white and orange. Now, if you want to sole protect these, which I highly recommend doing, there's a 10% off coupon in the description below. You kind of want to keep those things nice and fresh, right? So check that out. The insole of these shoes, I'll put up a picture so it's a little bit easier, but it says fame is a lie and stress is cruel. And it's kind of like an outdoorsy photo and a fire photo. You have your typical black elephant print. It goes all the way around. Like, these are nice. If you are thinking about picking them up, I would highly recommend it. Like, even if you got to pay the $300 for them, because I mean, what was the price like right off the bat? $250, I think, something around there. And that's just got to be for the materials, because the materials are amazing. This is going to be a perfect winter shoe, especially if you crep protect it, so that way it doesn't, you know, it's waterproof. I cannot get over the suede. I mean, look at it. It just flips. Check that out. It just flips. Flippy, flippy. Flips like a light switch. There are 3 different colorways of this shoe. One more that's coming out later this year, probably before 2019. One of them has released, it was the Super Bowl one, the all-white one. That one was limited to what I understand to be 5,200 pairs. Then you have the Beige, which is this one. And then you have one more coming out, which is the, it's kind of like a darker brown color. Here's a picture of it. It would be cool to get all 3 colorways of them, but if not, you know, white and one of the brown ones would be a good one to have. Just like I said earlier, this is a mashup. It's called the JTHs. It's a, you know, kind of Justin Timberlake and Tinker Hatfield. That's why it's JTH, Justin Timberlake Hatfield. And they did a very good job. I mean, the original, you know, it's got the same layout as the original Tinker Hatfield with the Nike swoosh on it. This one, actually. Bang. That one right here. Exact same shoe. Just different colorway. That's where the influence comes in from Justin Timberlake. And you know, a lot of people that don't really know don't think of Justin Timberlake being Jordan brand, you know. But if you look back, almost all of his tours, he's had some type of special shoe that's come out. He had the ones that Perfect Pair has, where he has the 1, 2, and 3, where it's kind of got like sequins and glitter and, you know, all that good stuff on there. The ones that are worth like 5-10 grand because they were so rare. Then you got the Man of the Woods tour, which are these, all 3 colorways. The white ones, the original ones, he was selling them at pop-ups along his tour stops. And I think he's going to do the same for these and the next ones. I'm definitely glad that I pulled the trigger on these, and I highly recommend that you do as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got a few more on the way, a few more in the mail. When I get mine, if I didn't do the on feed on this video, I'll do it on that video. Or I may just like pull it down and put it in. Who knows? We'll see. So make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure to follow my social media. Links are in the description. Check out the poll for the giveaway. I'm going to leave it up a little bit longer. I'm going to take it down pretty soon though, so make sure to jump on that. To be able to win the giveaway, you have to be subscribed. So as soon as that drops, I'm going to put up a thing for you to enter to win. I'm going to leave that up for a few days, so make sure that you're following me so you know, because you don't want to miss out on that giveaway. Yeah, that's it for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Stay tuned for the B-roll. Be safe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.